Meanwhile, a Texas A&M professor in the Soil and Crop Sciences Department is volunteering to lead his students through an industrial hemp breeding program. KRHD News reporter Diamond Dixon spoke with the professor to see how they got started with researching hemp.
Professor Jessup and his students are finding new ways cannabis can be used here in Texas. With the microscope, Meredith Clay, an undergraduate researcher, is further developing her research.
I have been developing a microscope, trying to develop when trichomes are ready for harvest, so then we know that the plant is ready for us. What I did was that I explored different options to put it on our phones, since it is a tiny eye microscope, and different ways that can allow us to maneuver the plant to see the trichomes effectively.
Clay says trichomes live on hemp leaves and help her harvest.
It contains a flower, where the trichomes live. The trichomes contain phytochemicals inside them, which tells us that at their color whether or not they're ready for harvest. A clear trichome tells us that it's immature, and a cloudy or a tan trichome can tell us that it's ready to be harvested.
It's important to monitor the flower's maturity to avoid what's called a hot plant when it contains over 0.3% THC. Professor Russell Jessup says the work they're doing here is innovative.
Our industrial hemp breeding program is modernizing a crop that's been illegal for 70 years, make it adapted to Texas, make it safe for seed and fiber producers if they want to grow it.
Ian McGrath is also a researcher studying how cannabis plants give off an oil that can be used as a protectant.
Producing, hopefully, a pesticide that can be used in organic agriculture. That doesn't smell bad. A lot of these terpenes actually smell really good. They have floral scents, they have citrusy scents, so we can produce a pesticide that's as effective as like Roundup, for example.
McGrath is a co-founder of a group called CHILL, Cannabis Hemp Innovation League.
Represent a group of formerly underrepresented students who have an interest in the plant, and to take this into an academic setting and to gain professional acceptance.
McGrath says the group is also aimed to help students find on-campus jobs and fundraise for cannabis incarcerations. In College Station, Diamond Dixon, KRHD News.